Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have got an Ipsy unboxing, and this is for the month of March, and I believe that next month I will be getting the Glam Bag Plus. But for this month we have the regular one to unbox, so I am excited nonetheless. We're going to dive right into this bag. So first I have to kind of cover that I did some of the add-ons, which are really cool. So I think each one that I did was just $3, and I did 2 of them, but they did get it a little bit mixed up. So I got 2 of these Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadows. So I actually added on one of these and then an Ofra mini highlighter in Star Island. They've already taken care of it. They were really excellent with customer service. Ipsy replied within a couple of hours and said, no problem, so sorry, it's on the way. So the Ofra highlighter is coming, and I actually got a different shade in the eyeshadow, which I was actually wanting to add on both of these shades. That's the funny thing, but one of them was sold out, and yet I actually got both. So this is pretty cool. So I've got 2 extras in here, and then my little highlighter will come later. Tina wanted to make a little appearance. Okay. You want a good down? Okay. So I've actually never used anything from Space Case, so if you have familiarity with them, you are ahead of me. I had not heard of this brand until I saw it as an add-on, and then I went and checked it out. So I got 2 eyeshadows. The one that I had actually added on is called Messy Loch Nessie, which I'm gonna be honest, like partially I added it on for the name, and only $3, you can't beat it. These are really similar to ColourPop packaging of their Super Shock shadows. Ooh, this feels really nice. To me, just on a first swatch, that feels more like a regular like shimmer or metallic shade.
Ooh. Holy shit.
Ooh, these are vegan, cruelty-free. That's amazing. And I'll put on the screen what the retail price is because I don't even know. So that is Messy Loch Nessie. That's gorgeous. And then the next one is called Alien Love Child. So this is one I actually got accidentally, but if it had been there, I would have added it on. So all in all, I can't really be mad. Oh, this one's different. Okay, so this looks like a little bit more like a topper. That's what it looks like on here. And then as I swatch it, whoa. It's really pretty. I would actually like to use this on its own because I think it would just be interesting looking, but it's got like this crazy shift. Ooh, the shift is really close to its own color, but it has like a little like bluish hue to it depending on the light. I don't even know if this is going to do it justice for you guys, but it's really pretty. It's got a different texture than Messy Loch Nessie. Ooh, it's just different. It feels like on the surface of it, it's not smooth, but it comes off as if it's 100% like smooth and creamy, if that makes sense. I don't think it makes sense. So there are Messy Loch Nessie and Alien Love Child. Okay, on to the main event. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what I actually got in my bag. So here is the little bag. It says, and off she went to change the world. Let's get into this bag. We're gonna pull out our card. It's National Women's History Month. Okay, so that's what the card looks like. Talks about women's history, and then we've got a little rundown of the products. So I'm gonna dive right into it. The first thing I see is the Ciate Lip Luster, and this is in the shade Wildfire. The stain on my lip is making it look a little pinker than it is. So very indicative of the name. That reddish with that gold in there. It's really pretty. All right, the next thing is a BMX 465 Precision Angle. I have a brush from this line. It's Moda Pro, and I actually really like it. I use it a lot. It's a tapered blush brush, and I get a lot of use out of it. So I'm excited to have this one. It looks like this. It's a little smushed, but it feels nice and dense. I've had good luck with their brushes. Moda puts a lot of brushes in subscription boxes, and so far I haven't been disappointed. So I am excited to give this one a try. Next, I've got the Lord & Berry number 1808 Veluto Supreme Green. So it's like a nice rich hunter green. I will definitely get some use out of that. I've tried a Lord & Berry brow product before. It was just like a little tiny pencil like this, and I wasn't super impressed with it. So I'm glad that this is a liner instead, and I am really partial to green, so I am not mad at that. And then we've got 2 little skincare products. The first one I already know and love. This is Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm from Pharmacy. So I actually have gone through a couple full sizes of this, and it is truly excellent. It's got great ingredients, and it is amazing at removing all your makeup. Like, it'll take all this eye makeup off, and it's really good. That's what it looks like. It also smells nice. It smells like sweet lime or something like that, and I love it so much. This is one of my all-time favorite makeup removers. There's only maybe 3 that I am truly in love with, and this is one of them. So I will probably take this with me to New York. If you guys don't know, I am going to IMATS in a few weeks. I'm so excited. So I've got a long weekend in New York, and this guy will be really helpful at removing all the makeup I pile on before I go to IMATS. All right, and finally I have the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Finding Face Mask. So I have been eager to try this. I haven't tried anything from the brand before. I believe Sephora recently started carrying this brand as well, so that's exciting. So this is detoxifying and brightening. Not too shabby. So of course Ipsy is only 10 bucks a month, so I have to say I do think this is a really good deal. These 4 items are all pretty small, but I think I'm going to really enjoy each and every one of them, so that's a major plus. And then you do get a very full-size brush, so I am pretty impressed with Ipsy this month, and kind of glad that there was a mix-up because I get to try 2 shades of the Space Case eyeshadows, which I think I am going to really love. This green is just, ooh, it's so pretty. I'll show you guys in a weekly vlog when they send me the highlight, but it's a mini Ofra highlighter in Star Island, and it was only 3 bucks again, so I added on for 6 bucks a little highlighter and this shadow, and I'm also really impressed with their customer service. I think that it was excellent experience. I literally sent them a picture and said, hey, I didn't get my highlighter, I got this instead. No problem, it's on the way. And I really appreciate that because it should be just that easy. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you're loving all of these unboxings. It is gonna be like unboxing, unboxing, unboxing. So I hope you guys aren't too bothered by that. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this month's bag. I am eager to know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.
Because my makeup turned out so cute. And my lashes are actually on good, and they're not popping up everywhere, and they're fucking even, and I don't...
So I keep forgetting to add my dad joke. So you're gonna see this clip at the end of like 4 different videos. So again, if you guys do not like the dad joke, then thank you so much for watching at this point. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see it, let's get into the dad joke. I used to hate facial hair, but then it grew on me.